Hello everyone and welcome back to the Reptile Kitchen. My name's Nick and I am your chef, and in today's video we'll be making Crested Gecko diet treats. Let's get to it. So this is a series where we take common foods and we turn them into be reptile friendly. So as with all our recipes, first thing we go over is the ingredients. Let's dive right into that. In today's episode we'll be making strawberry banana Crested Gecko smoothies. Let's get into it. So in order to make this Crested Gecko diet treat, the recipe that I will be using will consist of strawberries, look at those, banana, a nice big banana, and the most important part, plain, non-fat yogurt. Okay, this is important. Do not get flavors, do not get fat, plain, non-fat yogurt. Also remember, do not use Greek yogurt. This is the only yogurt I trust. This is the Great Value brand because we ball on a budget in the Reptile Kitchen. The other ingredients that we'll be putting in this treat for them today is a little bit of bee pollen, nature's nectar as I like to call it, and then we will also be putting in a little calcium with D3. Now, the plain yogurt does have calcium in it. I'm gonna add just a touch more. This is simply meant to be a treat and not the everyday diet. Remember that. So while I'm cutting strawberries, this is a recipe that my dad used for his geckos and his dad used for his geckos, and something that's kind of been passed down from generation to generation, from gecko to gecko, as somewhat of a treat. So now what we're going to do is we're going to blend up our fruits to get them into a more smoothie-like consistency, and then we're going to slowly add our yogurt as we go until we get that perfect blend of yogurt to fruit. Let's go.
You gotta add some liquid.
I think I got it. Go. Okay, so now that we've blended up our fruits, you could serve just this because, oh my god, they're gonna love that, okay? But anyway, you could serve just this. We're gonna add the yogurt because there are beneficial supplements in there that they will benefit from. So let's add some yogurt. So now we're going to take 1 heaping scoop, aka 1 cup of yogurt, and we are going to plop that bad boy in there. Now we will be taking our measuring cups and we'll be adding in our other supplements. Move that up. First, I'll be adding in calcium with D3. Since these little guys are nocturnal and I don't provide UVB, I will need to add D3 to their diet to ensure that they do not get metabolic bone disease. No bueno. Cataboosh. That was 1/2 teaspoon, I believe. Next, we're going to follow that up with some bee pollen, aka nature's nectar. I've said it once, I'll keep saying it. 1 heaping scoop of about, it's a little more than 1/2 tablespoon, obviously. There we go. Now, we blend this up, and as always, I will give the final result a taste test before I feed it to my lizards. So now, as always, I will taste the final product before serving it to our Crested Geckos. Okay, let's go. Let's get a little, this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna get a little bit of a heaping scoop, and then they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it. I preferred it before the yogurt was in it and before the bee pollen and the calcium, but still actually really good, and it's kind of it's the exact consistency I wanted, so that worked out really good. Now what we are going to do is come back later tonight and I'll feed it to everybody when they wake up. Alright, nighttime is finally here, so let's fill up all the food dishes. Okay guys, so it's morning now and I went ahead and I checked everybody's food. Okay guys, so as you can see, most of them actually ate more than I thought they were going to, so that's always good. But anyway, that's the video for today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you liked, and maybe think about subscribing to us because we're always pumping out more content. So until next time, stay safe and stay positive.